So another thing that I'm gonna telling you is that, for example, when if you wanna go to the next line, you're gonna just put these two and say and L. This will go to the um, next line. Uh, if I compile it, actually you can't see, but can you see this? It's blinking here. Let me see out another thing so that you could understand it better and see the effect. For example, hello. Now, one semicolon. Let's compile this one. As you can see, hello is in the next line. But if we don't have hello and L, it will look like this. Let me put a space here. See? It will read it as one line. So always be careful if you wanna uh, go to the next line when you are printing, right? And L. So let me show you what will happen if you have some mistake here. For example, if you forget to type this semicolon, let's see what will happen. See, it's showing something here, says error. If you can guys see, so here is the error, and if you wanna understand the error better, go to the build log. Here the line that is red is your error. It says expected semicolon before get ch. So as you can see, this line is marked. Most of the time the line that is marked is true. The line before it is not true. Same thing here. As you can see here, it says error expected. That means it's expect something. Semicolon is it's expect something before what? Before get ch. So our get ch is here. It expected semicolon. So yeah, we forgot the semicolon. So now it will be right. So now let's see how to design a program that take two numbers and print their sum. We don't need to you don't need to memorize these lines because it's not necessary. Always when you are going to C++, they are already here for you. Let me demonstrate it for you. So as I said, let me demonstrate it for you by opening a new project. New project, same thing. For example, the name will be teaching you. Okay, as you can see now we have two projects open here. As you can see, these lines are ready for us, and even this hello world line has been designed already. So let me close this program because when you are compiling this program, it will cause a actually cause some problem. So when you wanna take something, I don't know, add something, everything, you need a variable. You need to define a variable. So for variable, you need to show what is your type of your variable. For example, int means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is numbers. For example, float is, for example, 1.75. This is a kind of float. And or for example, boolean. Let me show it by bool. This is a variable that has is true or false. For example, you need to say the name of the variable before its amount. For example, bool. A is equal to true. As you can see, it came up, so that means it's true. So what we're gonna do is just say int. If you want my suggestion, always equal them to 0 because it could cause mistake. Int, another int, because we're gonna take two numbers. This one equal to, don't forget about the semicolon. As you can see now, I have two variables here. But if they are same type, I mean there are both int or I don't know floats, boolean, everything, you could just write it here by using one of these and say, for example, c equal to 0, 2. So now our variables has been defined. So when we want to take something from the person who's working with the computer, we're gonna use cin method, and exactly opposite of cout is sign or other way around. So cin, what we're gonna see in a, and first cin a, and cin b, cin c, sorry. So this gonna do is it will take two numbers from us. For example, the first one will be 2L, another one 34. So now we wanna print the sum of these two. So cout, because we're printing something, is these things are this way. Be careful. So cout, what we're gonna see out, a plus c. As I said, when you wanna see out exactly the same thing, you need to have these. For example, if I now print do this, it will print a plus c. Let me show you what. I forget the semicolon. Sorry, guys. So two numbers. See, it will see out a plus c. But if you wanna see out exactly c, meaning this variable, plus a, meaning this variable, we don't need these two. So now let's see. For example, 12, 45. Their sum will be 57. So this is basically the first step on C++. Hope you enjoyed. Be careful about the variables. Be careful about this tiny semicolon, or I don't know, these signs. You don't need to memorize these, but I mean this line, for example, uh, libraries. But in future, when you become a professional programmer, you need to know what kind of library do we have, and your code will include which one.